In this video, I will show you how you can fix if spatial audio is not working on your AirPods or on your AirPods Pro. Now, if you have paired your AirPods with your iPhone, but if you have noticed that the spatial audio feature is grayed out or if it is not working, so in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, if the spatial audio feature is not working, so first of all, just play some music in the background. For an example, I will play this music. Now if I open the control center, then if I tap on the volume bar, and from here let's try to enable spatial audio. As you can see, spatial audio has turned on and it is working. But if you have done that and if this did not work, then just go to your home screen and make sure that your AirPods are paired with your iPhone. Now from here, just go to settings, then tap on the name of your AirPods. On this page, just scroll down and look for the option of personalized spatial audio. Now just tap on personalized spatial audio, then tap on personalize. Now just follow the instructions on the screen to enable spatial audio. Now just tap on continue. As you can see, it is asking to take out both of the AirPods from your ears. Now after you take out both of your AirPods from your ears, now just scan your ears as it is shown in this animation. Now just tap on start capture. Now just place your face in this camera frame and rotate your face to the left and to the right side so that the selfie camera can scan your ears. Now after you complete the scanning process, then just tap on done. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the control center, then open the volume bar and check if spatial audio is working or not. Now if spatial audio is still not working, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to settings and under settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name and select forget this device. Tap on forget device. Now from here, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and after that, just open the lid back open and double tap 3 times on the LED on your charging case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. But if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid, then press and hold the button at the back of the AirPod. Now just press and hold the button at the back of the AirPod until the LED on your AirPods case turns into orange. And once that happens, this indicates that you have completed the factory reset process. Now just close the lid of your AirPods and after a couple of seconds, then open the lid back open and complete the pairing process. Now after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, then just open the control center and check if spatial audio is working or not. Now let's play some music in the background. As you can see, spatial audio is working. But if you have noticed that it is only turning on and off, and the third feature, which is the 3D spatial audio feature, is not available, now to get that feature, just go to your home screen and open settings. After you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, then just tap on the name of your AirPods in the settings app, and from here just scroll down and look for the option of accessibility. Then just tap on it, and at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of follow iPhone. Now just enable this toggle, and after that, just tap on iPhone audio and visual settings. From here, just check if mono audio is enabled or not. If this feature is enabled, just turn it off. And after that, if you go to your home screen, then if you open the control center, you will notice that the head tracking feature has been enabled in the spatial audio section. Just like that. And this is how you can fix if spatial audio is not working on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.